Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to go ahead and tackle my dining room. We're going to tidy it up a little, and I want to declutter a little, not declutter, but kind of like put all my granddaughter's toys in the office because she has taken over my house big time. So she had a little designated corner, and now she has a designated corner in every room in the house. So yes, it's gonna be fun. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Ella quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. Daré Julia, baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más. Ella baila pero no dice nada, su booty lo expresaba con perreíto y con dembow. Sabe bien que ha sido la estrella dándole al reggaetón, ton, ya. Y empieza el flow, esta es la nueva era pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción, no tabaco y ron. Y empieza el flow, esta es la nueva era pero baila todo. Baila una de Maluma y Tego Calderón. La nena está bien puesta pa' cualquier canción, no tabaco y ron. Ella quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. La Julia, baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más. El que más ladra come hueso, el que a ti te baila sabe eso. Y nos ponemos bien traviesos, esos son efectos del proceso. Solo con esa mirada hace lo que quiere. Se ve muy educadita, hace sus deberes. Siempre ha sido la envidia de las mujeres, por toda esa belleza y cómo se mueve. Sabes como tú me dejas después del party, en ti pensando. Cuando tú te sientes sola como una loca, a mí me llamas. Qué casualidad que pienses en lo mismo que yo estoy pensando. Escondernos en la playa jugando a solas de madrugada. Ella quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. La Julia, baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más. Ella es una asesina, la baby a mí me domina. Ya me tiene loco, malo del coco, ni se imagina. Una asesina, la baby a mí me domina. Cuando te toco siento que choco con una mina. Ella quiere más de lo que vamos a hacer en París. La Julia, baila un poquito más, acércate a mi mamá, que vamos a hacerlo una vez más.
Finally, I have decided what I'm gonna do with this piece right here and with my dining room table. Um, I was having mixed feelings. I wanted it to leave it its natural color, but this is a very old table, and this dresser belonged to my mother, so I refuse to let it go. But I do still want to make it a little more my style. So therefore, we decided between me and my husband and my kids, we decided to paint it black, but like a matte, smoky, chalky black, not a glossy black. And then paint the table as well. The big wall piece on the opposite wall from me, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that monster. Honestly, I don't like it, but I have like a love and hate relationship with it. So for now, I don't know. But stay tuned for that makeover video. It should be coming up in the next week or so. So I am excited. So yeah, let's get back into this video. like to take this time to welcome any new viewers that I have today in this video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Janice, and this is my channel. I like to do house cleaning, house decorating. I do beauty. I do fashion. I do unboxing, hauls. You name it, I do it. So I hope you like what you see, and by the end of the video, you'll get motivated to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yes, let's get back into the video.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. Cause I can feel the energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy.
This house has definitely seen better days. This is another piece of my house that I have a love and hate relationship with, but I cannot find myself to throw it away because my granddaughter loves it. She plays with it all the time. She drags it wherever I am, and she wants to be next to me. If I'm washing dishes, she's dragging the dollhouse to the kitchen. If I'm in the living room, she's going in the living room with it. My bedroom, it's like she's always playing with it. So I just can't throw it away. But yeah, it's on its last wheels.
Cause I can feel the energy. I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you stayed this long, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Thank you for staying all the way until the end. I appreciate you guys to the moon and back. Stay tuned for a lot of new content that's coming up. Again, I upload every Wednesday and every Saturdays. So yeah, till next time, toodles.
Sober, it was so